శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 735th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 3rd పర్వం, వనపర్వం ఆర్ అరణ్యపర్వం, 12th chapter. Sota Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this: O Raja, when Krishna Paramatma said that, O Arjuna, I am not different from you, you are not different from me, then all the soldiers, all the great kings who were sitting there got to listen to that and got surprised to listen it from Sakshat Sri Krishna Paramatma. Then after that, Panchali Pundarikaksham Asinam Bhratrubhissaha Abhigamya Abravit Kruddha Saranyam Saranaishini. Panchali, Draupadi Devi, who was there with so much of anger, went to Krishna, surrendered to Krishna and praising Krishna like this: O Krishna, you are the one who has created all these worlds. You are Sakshat Prajapati. That is what Asita Devala Maharshi told me. And Vishnustvamasi Durdarsha Tvam Yajño Madhusudana. O Madhusudana, you are Sri Mahavishnu. You are the one who is Yajñam. You are the one who is receiver of all Yajñas. That is what Parasurama told me. And you are Sakshat, an embodiment of patience. And you are an embodiment of Satyam. And you are personification of Yajñam. That is what Kasyapa Maharshi told me. O Bhuta Bhavana Bhutesha, you are the supreme of all the devatas. That is what Narada Maharshi told me. O Krishna, Brahma Shankara Sakradhyaihi Daiva Vrundaihi Punah Punaha, along with Brahma, Shankara, Indra, you are the one who creates, who does this Srishti Karyam again and again. O Prabhu, O Krishna, the entire heavenly worlds filled up with your head, this entire Bhulokam filled up with your divine feet, and all other worlds filled up with your stomach. And Purushosi Sanatanaha, you are forever, you are there forever, you are Sanatana. Like that, Draupadi Devi praising Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vighneshwara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana, who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ నారాయణ నారాయణ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ నారాయణ నారాయణ. Srimanarayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Srimanarayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimanarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana.